Kalau tetap nggak bisa berarti
Nih, udah. Udah kan? Udah kan?
udah. Iya udah.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Welcome group.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Your presentation about methodology. Okay, what is methodology in ESP? As definition by Robinson. Methodology refers to what goes on in the classroom and to what students have to do. Using technical terms, it refers to classroom activities and technique. The success of students in mastering language is strongly influenced by the ability of lecturer or language instructors in applying learning method. Learning method that apply motivational strategy are the implementation of instructor to still stimulate and encourage student motivation. There are three basic criteria. First, attitude of lecturer. Second, good relation with student. And finally, cohesive study group. Okay, next. Husen.
Anissa dulu, Anissa.
Oh, Anissa, sorry. Anissa, times is your.
Is there? My name is Anissa Putri Jurniawan. Is there any specific methodology in ESP? When we talk about specific methodology, we mean all the words aspect from reading complex articles to making a presentation. Hutchinson and Water claim that there is no specific methodology for ESP. English methodology doesn't make a teacher successful in technique that the teacher implement in the classroom. For example, if teacher is not familiar with such specific subject matters are as the blessed women's or power situation, he won't be able to prepare his own material for this matter. It's not always possible to find what material you want to use during the course in the course book. In ESP course, the teacher has to put more effort than general English course. There is no specific method, but there will be a method you can choose for your own learner. Not only does it depend on need, but also expectation. Next slide. Del.
Okay. Sorry.
And what is the best methodology in ESP? Some ESP learning systems are assessed motivating and not motivating for students. The main objective is to recognize methods that are able to accrue motivation to be student to be able to master foreign language by maximum. Motivating method can be applied and non-motivating method can be avoided. The next material will be delivered by Hussein.
Okay, I will explain the next material. The next material is 5 methods that motivate in ESP. The first method is creating fun learning in English. The second is provide clear instruction. And the third is commitment of lecturers or instructor in teaching. The fourth is humor, laughter, and smile in the learning process. And the five is good relationship between lecturers and students. Next slide. Next slide, please. Adele.
Iya, ini udah.
Oh, okay. And the five methods that not motivated in ESP. The first is error is reasonable thing in learning process. And the second is difficult and challenging task. And third is group work routine for student. Group work result in negative because it tends to increase conflict. And fourth is involves personal experience in assignment. And the last is provide various types of material. Okay, I think that's all. Any question?
Any question, guys?
No.
Okay, next group. Next group presentation.
Grup 9 siapa ya?
Rafael?
Grup 9 siapa ya?
No.
Oke, lanjut grup 10. Ada nggak? Kelompok 10.
Kelompoknya cuma sampai 9 deh kayaknya.
12, soalnya L, kelompok terakhir itu L, kelompok 12.
Yaudah kelompok L aja dulu.
Yaudah. Adel,
Bentar, download dulu ininya.
Hmm?
Bentar ya.
yaudah kelompok 12 dulu ya.
Bentar ya.
Oke.
Aduh. Gimana tuh buka ininya nggak bisa. Mau buka WhatsApp-nya nggak bisa, El.
Yang lain bisa share screen nggak? El minta tolong.
Ada yang bisa share screen nggak? Nggak bisa keluar soalnya ini aplikasinya karena lagi nge-record. Oh, bentar, sabar. Saya punya cara baru. Kalau nge-record ini nanti kena juga nggak sih?
Kayaknya coba.
Nggak bisa dibuka. Siapa yang bisa share screen?
Ntar gua coba. Takutnya tuh mental kayak kemarin.
Bisa nggak, El?
Nggak bisa.
Coba bentar ya, sabar. Gimana sih cara buka WhatsApp-nya? Masa harus keluar dulu? Nggak bisa lah. Tuh. Ada nggak share screen-nya?
Belum.
Alah, sabar. Ada nggak share screen-nya?
Udah ada.
Ayo.
Belum muncul, Del.
Share screen-nya belum muncul?
Udah, cuman belum lu klik itunya apa? File gua.
Ini apa?
Ini masih ini tulisan ESP.
Wah, padahal udah ada sih ya di sini.
Coba di layar HP lain.
Ada nggak share screen-nya?
Nggak ada, baru di dokumen.
Nggak ada, baru di dokumen.
Ah, kentang banget ini laptop. Sabar ya. Padahal di sini udah loh. Ini nggak ada tah.
Stuck di dokumen, Del, tadi tuh.
Ini ya?
Belum.
Ini apa?
Belum ada, Pak.
Ya, Del, klik itu.
Udah loh.
Iya, lu
Udah belum?
belum.
Ini udah loh. Di sini udah, El.
Di laptop lu udah, tapi di tempat kita belum.
Bentar ya. Coba. Udah belum?
Udah.
Oh ya udah.
Del.
Udah.
Sal, dengeran nggak? Takutnya.
Iya, El, dengar.
Oke, mulai ya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We from group 12, we will presentation the first material will be delivered by Salma. Time is yours.
What is evaluation? Evaluation is an adaptation of the English evaluation, which is defined as an assessment or assessment. Nur Kancana, 1983, states that evaluation is an activity carried out with respect to the process to the review of a thing. Next slide, Adel. A. Learner assessment. In any language course, there is a need to assess students' performance at any strategic point at start or at end. Learner assessment has great importance in ESP because it deals with the ability to perform particular communicative tasks. The result of this kind of evaluation enables sponsors, learners, and teachers to decide whether and how much tuition is required. Evaluation levels of evaluation. Evaluating ESP course help to establish whether it is meeting its aims or not. Course evaluation also plays a useful social role by showing the various parties involved, teachers, learners, and sponsors, that their views are important. There are four aspects of ESP course evaluation to be considered. What should be evaluated? How can ESP course be evaluated? Who should be involved in the evaluation? And when and how often should evaluation take place? Ke atas Andel. Next slide. Thus, while bearing in mind the similarity of role of feedback, we shall consider those two kinds of evaluation separately. The first, placement test. The aim of placement test is to determine the learner's state of knowledge before the ESP begins. Placement tests are used to place the learners in the ESP course most suited to student needs. Next, achievement test. Achievement test is the least problematic because it is usually internal to the course and does not have to conform to external influence.
The second material will be delivered by me. C. Course Evaluation ESP. Nggak kelihatan kayaknya, bentar.
Lihat yang aslinya aja, El.
Kelihatan nggak?
Udah. Course is like any courses that its existence is justified as a particular educational need. Through evaluation, ESP course is actually fulfilling the needs. The sponsor also needs clear information to be supplied the suitable course and as well further investment and support on the result. There are 4 aspects of ESP based on Alderson and Waters, 1983. A. What should be evaluated? B. How can ESP courses be evaluated? C. Who should be involved in the evaluation? D. When and how often should evaluation take place? Maksudnya itu kursus seperti halnya yang keberadaannya dari kebutuhan pendidikan tertentu. Melalui evaluasi, mata kuliah ISP sebenarnya memenuhi kebutuhan. Sponsor juga membutuhkan informasi yang jelas untuk diberikan kursus yang sesuai dan juga investasi dan dukungan lebih lanjut untuk hasilnya. Ada 4 aspek ISP berdasarkan Alderson dan Waters. A. Apa yang harus dievaluasi? B. Bagaimana kursus ISP dievaluasi? C. Siapa yang harus terlibat dalam evaluasi? D. Kapan dan seberapa sering evaluasi harus dilakukan? 1. What should be evaluated? Everything that is significant must be evaluated. However, there are 2 important things that must be constrained. A. The ability of the teacher collect the information. B. The ability of the teacher to use the information for evaluating. Remember, it can be annoy everyone if you collect the information in detail. It is possibly at inconvenience, time and expense, and then doing a little or nothing with it. Then the college may not cooperative. Apa yang harus dievaluasi? Segala sesuatu yang penting harus dievaluasi, namun ada 2 hal penting yang harus menjadi kendala. Sebuah kemampuan guru mengumpulkan informasi. B. Kemampuan guru untuk menggunakan informasi untuk mengevaluasi. Ingat, itu bisa mengganggu semua orang jika mengumpulkan informasi secara detail. Hal ini mungkin pada ketidaknyamanan, waktu, dan biaya. Dan kemudian melakukan sedikit atau tidak sama sekali dengannya. Kemudian, rekan-rekan mungkin tidak kooperatif. 2. How can ESP courses be evaluated? In theory, there are many ways to evaluate ESP course, from simulation to suggestion boxes. However, in practice, the most techniques to evaluate ESP course are test results, questionnaires, discussion, interview, and informal means, comment, casual, catch, etc. Bagaimana kursus ISP dievaluasi? Secara teori, ada banyak cara untuk mengevaluasi kursus ISP, mulai dari simulasi hingga kotak saran. Namun, dalam praktiknya, teknik paling banyak untuk mengevaluasi kursus ISP adalah hasil tes, kuesioner, diskusi, wawancara, dan sarana informal, komentar, obrolan santai, dan lain-lain. Okay, the last material will be delivered by Dila. Time is yours.
Next slide, Adele.
Slide ke 9. Ya itu.
3. Who should be involved in the evaluation? In various college will vary about who involved in ESP course evaluation. It is likely in practice there are ESP teaching institutions, the ESP teachers, the learners, and the course sponsors. Evaluation is concerned with people, evaluation of value, and the opinions. It is related with their interest and concern. Next slide, Adele. According to Hutchinson and Weather in 2008, the most appropriate time to evaluate the course are A. In the first week of the course, B. At regular intervals throughout the course, C. At the end of course, D. At the end of the course in each meeting, because it's effective to know how well the course achieved the goal. Sleep prescribe how often course evaluation should be done. It needs sensitivity and response in evaluating the course. Besides, it also depends on the characteristic of the individual teaching situation. Enough.
Okay, any question? Hello everybody, any question?
Enough, L.
No, enough, L.
Okay, I think that's all. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, next group. Grup 9 udah hadir belum? Perasaan 16 aja ya dari tadi.
Udah belum?
Ini grup 9. Mana ya? Apa masih ada yang nyimpen nama kelompok yang project pertama ini?
Ini recordingnya udah ya?
Ada L, ada L.
Coba kirim, mau ngeliat. Kok perasaan diem-diem
Udah,
aja. Jangan-jangan yang kelompok 9 ini belum kerjaan ini.
Nggak tahu
Soalnya
juga, L.
Soalnya ini hari terakhir loh. Maksudnya mohon kerjasamanya loh. Nanti juga kalau misalnya belum ngerjain. Coba lihat dulu.
Coba lihat.
9. Ini 12, 11, 9. Okta, Indri. Itu nggak kelihatan sih? Indriani, Nadira. Kalian udah selesai belum?